John Nadler, why did gold get clocked yesterday?
I think the main catalyst for what happened yesterday was the fact that Mr. Bernanke didn't offer to keep the punch bowl out indefinitely. And of course, that's the punch bowl that has helped most commodities, specifically gold and silver, reach some lofty heights in recent years. I think the crowd that was expecting America to fail by now has been dealt a severe blow yesterday. And of course, the metrics that the US economy keeps producing are encouraging the Fed and certainly some of the team members on Mr. Bernanke's team to say, look, we may not extend zero interest rate levels until 2014. That type of specter is really, really unnerving the commodities crowd and, of course, gold specifically. So I think that was the principal catalyst, not to mention the fact that probably something like 1 million ounces were unloaded into the market by one player, possibly, and the market is clearly ill-prepared to make a bid on that type of tonnage.
Speaking of that, what kind of impact do leveraged gold ETFs have on the market? Because sometimes they move stocks in the market. What about the gold market?
Well, I mean, yes, relatively speaking, the gold market and the silver markets are rather small. And of course, notwithstanding the crazy allegations of manipulation and sinister intervention into these markets that immediately get trotted out every time such a decline happens, the reality is that anytime you're dealing with leverage and sell stops are hit, margin call specter arises, and of course that contributes and snowballs the effects you see here. What worries me more, perhaps, is the fact that the small retail investor, unless they are trend chasing, which they were, of course, up to almost 1,800, they also get caught in this sell-off and, of course, throw in the towel. But the physical market itself seems to have some difficulties with gold above 1,700, and buyers really emerge only into the mid-1,600s at this point as we see it. So leverage, not good, but the physical market is what will ultimately call the shots.